So in this series of videos, we're gonna be learning about MongoDB. So first of all, let's talk about what is MongoDB. So MongoDB is a popular open source cross-platform NoSql database, and that stores data in a flexible JSON-like document. So in traditional SQL database, we used to have tables with rows and columns, and each row holds a record and each column holds the property of that record. And in case of MongoDB, it is one NoSql database, so it does not use table to store data. It uses flexible JSON-like document. So here we use JSON-like key value pairs to store the data. And because of this, it is very highly scalable and its performance is very high, and also it is very flexible. That means here we can define our own schema, we can define our own key value, which makes it very flexible. So in MongoDB, it allows us to dynamically define the schema. That means we can create record without defining the structure first. So here we are free to use any kind of structure by using this key value pair. So let's now talk about few of the important difference between SQL and NoSQL. So first of all, let's talk about the SQL. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So here it uses relational table. That means the table that contains rows and columns to store data. So here each row is a record and each column is the property of that record. So in SQL we have relation between the data, but in case of NoSQL, so here we do not use any table for that. We use document based key value pairs. So we use JSON-like key value structure to store the data. Here you can see we have some fixed schema. So we have to first define the schema which is fixed. But here in case of NoSQL, we have the dynamic schema. That means we can define our own schema, which gives us a lot of freedom and flexibility. Some of the example of SQL data structure is MySQL, and also we have SQLite. But in case of NoSQL, we have examples like MongoDB. So hope you understand about MongoDB. In the later videos, we're gonna talk about how we can install MongoDB in our systems so that we can start working with MongoDB. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.